Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to Odoo, enabling seamless online transactions for your business. To begin, you will need to activate the Payment Acquirers module in Odoo. Simply go to your Apps menu, search for Payment Acquirers, and install it if it is not already active. This crucial step ensures that Odoo can manage and integrate with different payment services, including PayPal, providing a robust foundation for your payment processing needs. Next, let's configure your PayPal account. Log in to your PayPal business account and navigate to the settings. Under Website Payments, enable Auto Return and Payment Data Transfer, also known as PDT. You will need to retrieve your PDT identity token, client ID, and client secret from the PayPal Developer Dashboard. Additionally, confirm that Instant Payment Notification, or IPN, is enabled to ensure smooth communication between PayPal and Odoo for transaction updates. Now it's time to integrate PayPal within Odoo. Head to the Accounting application, then navigate to Configuration and select Payment Providers. Activate the PayPal provider and open its settings. Here, you will input your PayPal login email, the client ID, client secret, and the PDT identity token you obtained earlier. Remember to generate your webhook and set the provider's state to either enabled for live transactions or test mode for sandbox testing. Finally, thorough testing is crucial to ensure everything works perfectly. Use PayPal Sandbox accounts to simulate transactions and verify that payments are processed correctly and accurately recorded in Odoo. Link PayPal to an appropriate accounting journal for seamless financial tracking. After successful testing, switch the payment provider's state to enabled and publish it. Your Odoo system is now ready to accept PayPal payments, offering a convenient option for your customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.